Part 1. Tools and Materials. Did you know that 90% of Perkins brailers that stop working just need to be cleaned and oiled? Over time, dust and debris can accumulate and stick to or gunk the internal mechanics of the brailer, slowing down the performance and accuracy of the machine.
Dust falls on the open machine.
To help avoid this problem, it is good to keep your brailer covered when not in use. This protects the brailer from harm and greatly reduces the amount of dust that accumulates on greased internal parts. These are all the tools and materials you will need for this demonstration to disassemble, clean, and lubricate the Perkins brailer. First, you will need these brushes for cleaning. 1 1/2-inch soft bristle paintbrush. 1 toothbrush with stiff bristles. 1 2-inch soft bristle paintbrush. For oiling, use these brushes: a 1-inch paintbrush and a small artist brush. You will also need 3 screwdrivers: a number 1 Phillips head, a number 2 Phillips head that has a minimum shank length of 7 3/4 inches, and a small flathead screwdriver. For cleaning the Perkins brailer, you will need a 16 by 10 inch or larger shallow pan, a neutral petroleum-based mineral spirit cleaning solvent or equal like kerosene for washing, not gas or petrol. You will also need denatured alcohol to clean the brailer's rubber roller. And finally, to clean and wipe down the brailer, you will need a lint-free wiping cloth. We advise using a plastic container, a small box, or tin can to store the various screws and parts. Also, an ice cube tray works really well to keep the brailer screws and various parts separated so you can find them and keep track of them easily. For lubrication and oiling, you will need grease, a lithium white, Lubriplate Aerograde Perkins BST 20 or equal, watch oil Perkins BST 9A, and clock oil Perkins BST 9B. Be sure to use the correct lubrication grease and oils for the brailer to avoid any damage. You can also obtain and purchase these lubrication materials and various other parts directly from Perkins. Contact and ordering information will be provided at the end of this program.